Ladies and gentlemen, Iconic Coach here, presenting this beautiful 2015 Porsche Panamera GTS. This is an amazing car. Clean Carfax report, dealer serviced. As you can see, the paint, wheels, excellent shape. This car has a black Alcantara interior. Amazing condition inside and out. All the seat surfaces, the buttons, dashboard, leather on the dashboard. It's got the premium package, including the heated rear seats, comfort memory package, back seats also excellent shape as well. You can see all of the controls, the rear, carbon fiber. It's got the standard side skirt painted in the exterior color, LED tail lamps in the back, Bose surround sound, leather multifunction steering wheel with the heated option. Has the 20-inch wheel package, 295s and 255s. See, all the surfaces are excellent shape. Steering wheel, bolsters on the seat, headliner, 64,000 miles, California car. Headlights are in excellent shape as well. Start it up for you real quick. 4.8 liter V8. Sounds amazing. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Beautiful car. Don't pass up on this one. You can reach us at 858-382-1319 or see the videos and the images at iconicoach.com. Thank you.